Hi, in this video we are going to look at order of operations. All right. Um, Order of operations is very important because in math, if you don't follow a specific order, you will end up with wrong answers. So order counts. So the first step in order of operations is you will evaluate things that are in parentheses. Second is you will evaluate powers or exponents. All right, and third, multiply or divide from left to right. And then last step is add or subtract from left to right. I think of these as like steps or ways of ordering things. Okay, now let's get us a problem. So I am going to go, let's say 6 minus 2 to the third power divided by 2. All right, well, first thing we're going to do with our order of operations is we are going to evaluate what is inside of the parentheses. So I take 6 minus 2 and I get 4. That 4 is being raised to the third power. Okay? I just brought everything else down. Next, I evaluate my exponents or powers. 4 to the third power is 64 divided by 2. I just brought that down. Then when I take 64 divided by 2, I end up with 32. So my solution to this is 32. So always be very careful and remember to follow the order of operations. That's very important. Have an awesome, awesome, awesome day.